Hey guys, are you worried about this? Means how to create a CNC cutting by using the SketchUp? So let's start. So many of you having question like how to create a CNC cutting by using the image. We can download image like this by using the Google. So as I am having the images like this, easy design we can create by using the SketchUp. But how to create a design such like the ideal of or any god images if you are having and you want to create it by using the SketchUp, so it is a very much difficult task for us to create. So nothing to worry, just download that image from the Google and we can easily import that image to the SketchUp and we can create a 3D CNC cutting like this. So here I have imported one image and I have converted it into the CNC cutting and I have placed it over the opening. So as you can see, like this same design we can import or any image we can create it as a CNC cutting. So let's do it. First we have to go for the Google. Wait for that. So now you can see the faces it has got separated from the whatever inside and outside faces. So easily you can select this. And again you can select the inner portion as well. So one by one I have to delete this. So this procedure you have to follow for every fencing and cutting whatever images you have downloaded. You can do it by your own. So let's do that. So here I have deleted all the inner faces, as you can see. After deleting this, you have to go for the push pull option and select the whatever area you want to extrude, and then we have to give value. As you can see here how the face it is getting extruded. So I'll give it as a 3 inches, enter. So how much value you want, accordingly you have to set the extrusion value for that. So as you can see here we have converted this image into the CNC cutting. So where you want, there you have to place that particular. So again I'll create it as a group. Then easily you can rotate, you can scale how much you want, accordingly you can adjust the CNC cutting. So I hope you have understand this concept. If any doubt, you can ask me in comment box. Don't forget to subscribe and press notification bell icon. So whenever I'll post new video, you can see it first. And thanks for the watching. I'll see you in next video. Thank you.